We got the call about 11 o'clock on Saturday morning, and we had to form our teams, go to the headquarters and get all the material and everything together. And so we were on the road by around 2 o'clock Saturday afternoon, and we drove to Chattanooga Saturday night, which was about 9 to 10 hours. And then the following morning we drove to Woodstock, which was another good 10-12 hour drive. And then Monday morning the crews left Woodstock at 5 a.m. and they rolled into here on site at 7:45. We have a total of 53 people up here, and that includes 30 linemen and 23 support and supervision personnel. We have been performing restoration work in the towns of Crownsville, Maryland, and also Ellicott City, Maryland. The systems are very similar. I mean, most distribution power lines are very similar. Constructed very similar fashions. There's really no difference. I would just say probably the biggest difference would be some of the restoration procedures are a little bit different. But other than that, everything's very similar back home. Well, people in Maryland have been outstanding. They are very friendly. They've treated us like heroes, and really we're just here to do our job. And we would welcome guys from BGE have come down and helped us out after storms, and so it's all part of this mutual assistance. We help one another. But people in Maryland have been great, and some of the typical damage that we've been seeing been lots of down trees, broken poles, wire on the ground. Yesterday, some of our crews spent the majority of the day in the woods behind some houses in what we call rear lot lines, and they had to climb several poles by hand and put some wire in the air. Another crew was working over in Crownsville to get a restaurant back on, and they made a lot of progress. I think we actually completed work much sooner than was anticipated. The reason why safety is important to us is it's mainly for our employees. We want to make sure that our guys go home the same way they arrived at work every day, and that is with no injuries and in the same way that they arrived at work. And in addition to that, we want to be safe for the public and for our customers. I mean, our number one priority whenever we're restoring power after a storm or any outage is make sure our employees are safe, make sure our customers and the general public is safe. And we want to get the lights back on as soon as possible, but we want to do it in a safe manner so no one is in harm's way.